Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Next, in the last video we have discussed about the print function. In this video we are going to discuss about the topic variable. Okay, what is variable? Variable is nothing but an box where we store our data, like any string or any numbers. Any numbers means digits, string means text we have written in between quotes. Okay, then we are writing two print statements here. We have written two print statements. Why? Because we need to get the output I like Python 2 times. Okay, without writing 2 times, there is a way that we can print it faster and no need to write again and again. Okay, now let's get into topic. Creating a new file. Okay, we have created a new file named variable.py. Okay, now let's discuss this. If we create boxes, we need a name for every box. So now we are naming the box as var or variable. You can name it as your wish. We have given equal to symbol because the data written on the right side of that equals to is going to the data stored in this variable, which is left side to the equals symbol. Okay, now we are storing a string. Remember, this string should be between the quotes. Now we are naming this as, okay, let's write hello world. Okay, we have written hello world. Okay, it's very long name, right? So let's decrease it and change its names too. Okay, let's write it as fold. Okay, now we will print this fold variable into the output terminal. Okay, now let's give the print statement. Now we need to name the variable in between what we have stored. That is going to be fold because its name is fold. We no need to keep quotes for variable. If we keep quote, it will become a string and came output as just fold. We will not get the output that is stored inside it. Okay, now let's print it. Yes, we got hello world over here. Okay, now let's print this again. Let's run it again. Yes, we got again 2 times. So we can reduce the word capacity over here to get it faster and look cleaner. So these variables are useful when we have stored a large function and no need to write again and again, and just giving in simple line print and giving the variable name. So now let's store some math. Let's disable this code and now let's give an math. The name of box is math. Now the thing we need not to keep quotes, right? Because we are giving an integers. I am writing 9. So now we are multiplying the 9 with another number, but not inside the variable. We are giving the name and giving a space and giving an operator. I am giving plus operator and giving other name. We will give means not a name, an integer that should be added to the data which is stored in the math variable. Okay, I am giving 5. Now let's print the math. Let's clear this code. Okay, now printing again. Yes, we got 9. It didn't multiply it because this is not stored in any variable. We have just written math plus 5. Instead of writing this math plus 5 here, we can give here math plus 5. It will be added to this 9. Wait, let's print this again. Yes, we got the output 14. 9 plus 5 is 14. We have given this. Now let's try by giving math. We are using the same variable again. Math 9 plus 5. Or let's give 8. And again let's print this thing. Now let's run this code. Yes, we got the first print statement as 14 and second one as 17 because it is 9 plus 8 and it is 9 plus 5. So it is work. We have added math plus 5 here, but it didn't add and 5 number again to the math variable. It will not change. If we have given 9 plus 8, right? Now I am printing another statement with save but giving math plus 5 again as same we done here. Okay, we got 22 number. It has changed the value of math variable from 9 to 17. After adding 5 to the 17, we have got the output 22. It is the answer. Okay. Now let's discuss the topic data types in the next video. Until then, let's close this video and please subscribe. Please like and subscribe and click the notification bell to get the updates.